We have power plants, coal, gas, hydro. We generate electricity, we sell electricity, and we buy the fuels that are required to fuel these power stations.
When the traders actually want that an asset produces, the asset needs to be there, otherwise it can be very expensive. What has really changed in the asset business is how the power plants are being run. In the past, the power plants, very simplified, were pretty much switched on at some point and then only switched off when something broke or they needed to repair something. Nowadays, you have the renewables coming in. It's a very volatile market in some areas, and there you need to ramp up and ramp down the assets on a very frequent basis. And that obviously really stresses the component. The power plants traditionally already had a lot of sensors. The problem that we often have in the past was that this data was available to the power plant and used in the power plant, but it was very difficult to put this data together with all the other data. There was always something missing, there was always something out of date. And also we had then often discussions amongst us which of the data is actually correct. In total for Uniper, in our data historian, we have around 120,000 sensors at this point. Now we have the real-time information on our power plants really available to the people that are allowed to look at it. And that is the first step, and then you can actually analyze it and drive insight out of it and make better decisions. Good business decision about thinking about asset management actually means that you're really running your asset according to your strategy. We have a strategy for our company, we have a strategy for a certain power plant. And then for the power plant, we have a strategy for each individual piece in the power plant, for the major pieces. And then looking into the market, you actually want to really maintain this part and manage it from an asset point of view. We had people that spent about half of a month in preparing reports, which we reduced then to maybe a day.
Talend, it has been a game changer for us. We have been able to provide data 10 times faster, 10 times cheaper,